All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to caulk cracks in your concrete like a pro. I'm going to give you some tips to make the job come out faster and better looking. So first thing you want to do is you want to chase out your cracks, okay? So you want to get yourself a grinder with a crack chaser, which is basically a cutting wheel with a V-shaped blade on it. This is going to clean out the crack. This is also going to give you the right profile so that that caulk is going to adhere real nicely to the concrete. So chase out your cracks, step one. Then you want to get yourself some good material, okay? And a good caulk gun, right? You don't want to have a little cheap hand pump gun. You're going to basically get carpal tunnel by the time you're done. So get yourself a good, this one's a Makita. Every brand makes a good caulk gun. You want to get yourself some good caulk. That's probably the most important part. We use the best, which is silicone-based caulk. If you go to Home Depot and buy the stuff they have there, it's going to get the job done. It's just not going to last long. It's a urethane. It's not UV stable. It's going to break down over time, get real hard and brittle. It might last you a few years, whereas silicone is going to stay flexible. It's going to move with the concrete in the wintertime. It's just going to be a better looking, longer lasting caulk job. After you shoot in your caulk, you want to smooth it out. We don't use self-leveling caulk because that tends to run. A lot of our surfaces are not level, so self-leveling won't always work. So this is what the pros use. It looks like you're baking a cake. Same kind of tool. What you do is you want to hit it real light and remove all the excess caulk. You want to overfill it, remove the excess, clean it out, and hit it again a couple times, nice and light, removing any lines. They have different sizes depending on the size of the crack and the size of the joint, okay? Once you have it nice and smooth, I'm gonna give you one last tip, which is kind of our secret here, but I'll share it with you. You wanna add some play sand, okay? Add that play sand to the top of your caulk. That's gonna make it look more natural, okay? The caulk is gonna be gray. You're not gonna find old concrete that's gray anymore. It's gonna look more like sand. So adding that sand is gonna make it blend in real nicely. It's also going to prevent, if a leaf falls on it or something like that, it's not going to stick because the sand's on top of it. So you get a better looking product, more natural, with a little bit of sand on top. We'll show you a little sample of what we did today. Just lifted this driveway. We caulked all the cracks. So you could see those cracks, when you look at it, they kind of blend in. They're kind of hard to see because of that sand, because of the nice smooth tooling that we did on it. So that's how you caulk like a pro.